Yes, I can show you the demonstration, what I promised you earlier. That we are going to do one small artwork, that is the doodle artwork. First, I thought of making the mandala, but mandala takes really long time. Just to make the grid also takes around 15 to 20 minutes. So I thought, it is not possible. We do not have so much of time. So I thought little easier artwork, which everybody can do. The doodle artwork, I'll just turn my laptop towards the board.
If you don't mind, can you take the question answers first and then we will do the...
Definitely, we can do that.
Yeah, a couple of questions are there. So Sridhar,
Yeah, sure.
and whoever wants to ask the question, I think they can raise their hand. Raising hand is possible in Zoom itself. Or otherwise you can raise hand like this. We can see you and then we will just come back to you. So Sridhar, can you just...
मित्रों, दोस्तों, आप जो भी प्रश्न पूछना चाहते हैं, मैंने कुछ एक दो प्रश्न देखे हैं. Like someone is asking that there is an issue of brush cleaning of acrylic and oil paint. So how to overcome that? So that's the one question which I saw, and then we'll have Zainab, and then one by one, whosoever is raising their hand, we can take the question one by one.
Okay.
So pehle this question, answer of this question, difficulty in brush cleaning, how to overtake.
I have already taken that in my session. Okay. That oil paints can be cleaned with the turpentine. You cannot use water to clean the brush when you are using oil paint. Acrylic, before it dries up, because it is polymer based color, before it dries up, आपको पानी से धो देना है, नहीं तो आपका ब्रश के ऊपर परमानेंट वो कलर फिट हो जाएगा और आपका ब्रश कोई काम का नहीं रहेगा. उसको फेंकने के अलावा आप और कुछ भी यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं. So when you are painting, while finish, the moment you finish your painting, keep the water ready, wash it, and wipe it with a clean cloth or a tissue paper. The next question.
Okay. Next question is from Zainab. Zainab, can you please switch on your video and can ask the question, please? Then we will have Prerna Priya, then Priyanshi, in the line to ask the question. Zainab, can you please unmute yourself and ask the question, please? Okay, that's okay. You cannot switch on your camera, but can you at least switch on your mic and just ask your question? Let me just check if she has put it on her.
Boss, I think Dinesh Bhai is wanting to ask the question.
Yeah. Dinesh Bhai, okay, we have Prerna Ben, in the queue. Can we have Prerna Ben your question?
Yeah. I'm here. Rupal teacher, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Very informative session.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So मेरा दो query था, just to have an information. आपने Zen painting अभी बताया, तो it is almost like line mandala जो दिख रहा था मुझे.
नहीं, Zen paint जो mandala है वो circular form में जाता है.
No, but like simple painting like a lady with a skirt, फिर हम skirt में वो जो उसके जो strokes बनाते हैं, जो strokes आपने सिखाए थे ना triangle वाले और वो सारे, तो almost they are similar.
They are not very similar because the mandala has the curvical patterns.
Okay.
I don't know why I'm getting a lot of echo.
Echo is there,
Yeah.
I'm just trying to mute myself.
Okay. Yeah, that would be better now. And जो Zen painting है, वो pattern है, very easy patterns. You just have to go with the flow. You are just going with the flow, whatever is coming. In mandala, it is in circular form. Okay, the design is very particular. And you have to go according to that. And Zen paintings are a little different. I I'm unable to explain that in a particular, I don't know.
So the strokes
It's
were
there in
looking quite
mind.
similar. That's why I thought of asking. As one thing
Yeah.
more, in Tanjore painting, you have discussed about the stones. So what are these kind of stones like?
See,
Normal
earlier it used to be real stones. Nowadays you get this artificial stones. Whichever you want, you can use them.
in stationery, it is easily available. The stones for which
Yeah, stones are easily available. Stones are
the
easily
jewelry
available in the
set in
market.
all those sets, the stones are there with the kids.
Sorry?
जवेलरी सेट वगैरह जो बच्चों के बॉक्सेस आते हैं ना, क्राफ्ट किट के बॉक्स, उसमें जो
हाँ,
स्टोन्स
वो भी,
मिलते हैं, दैट कैन बी यूज्ड.
That can be used. If you try to go and use it, the real stones, the painting becomes very expensive.
Okay.
So
Ma'am,
yes, you
high
can go
gold
for
painting जब आप
artificial.
करोगे, please inform the session. It's
Definitely.
looking so beautiful, very much. बहुत अच्छा
Thank
लगा.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rupal teacher.
Thank you, Pranav. And can we have Priyanshi, your question, please?
Yes, hi ma'am. So
Hello.
it's a very good session. I really enjoyed it. So
Thank you.
what I wanted to ask you was that you talked about gouache colors, right? Where can we
Right.
find these colors, and do you recommend any brand for it?
Brusto is good. You can find online near your any stationery shop. You will get it.
Okay.
But online, yes, Amazon is a best option. You can go for it.
Okay, ma'am. And they are very different from the watercolors, right? Like.
They are different from the watercolor. Watercolor has translucent, while gouache is totally opaque colors. But when you do not have gouache colors, you can go for the poster colors also. They are very similar.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome.
Now, can we have Vibha? Vibha, can you please unmute yourself and can ask the question, please? Thank you, Vibha.
Yes. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Very nice meeting session you have.
Thank you.
Right now, मुझे ये question है, as I am also an artist,
Okay.
Painting.
Vibha, आपकी आवाज break हो रही है.
Okay. So, can I switch off my voice?
Yeah, you can. If you feel like you can switch off your video, you can ask your question. If there is an issue with your network, okay.
Just a second. Hello.
I think.
Yeah, Vibha ji, please.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are
Yes.
absolutely audible.
Yeah. हाँ, right. मैं like मैं भी एक artist हूँ. मैं भी different form of art में काम करती हूँ, like fabric paint.
Wow, that's very good.
Acrylic, watercolor. Right now मैंने अभी mold art लिया है, जो कि मेरे लिए एकदम नया है. तो उसके related मैं कुछ question पूछ सकती हूँ आपको?
Mold art, I have no idea about. So.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
Okay. No problem,
Yeah.
ma'am. Just मुझे एक
what is the mold art? Can you please tell me?
Yes, मैं show करती हूँ आपको.
Okay.
ये एक फेविक्रिल का मोल्डेड आता है.
Right. Okay, I know about that.
जिससे मैं अभी इसके ऊपर वर्क कर रही हूँ.
Correct. I have not tried this art. Mold मैं बनाई अभी तक नहीं बनाया है. So I'm so sorry
very
about
beautiful.
that.
Very beautiful.
इसमें डिफिकल्टी ये थी कि लाइक मैंने मोल्ड डायरेक्ट वुडन पे किया है, पर अगर कलर करने के बाद अगर मैं वो कुछ भी फिगर जो बनाया है मैंने मोल्ड से वो स्टिक करूंगी तो वो परमानेंट रहेगा या पेंट करना बेटर रहेगा?
There are chances of it coming out very easily, because once you painted, there is a layer between the wood and the object which you are sticking. That color layer will be there, so glue will not take place properly.
Okay.
So it's better first you stick it and then color it.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vibhaji. Can I have our, respected elder Dinesh Bhai Buch? Dinesh Kaka, can you please unmute yourself and ask the question? Dinesh Kaka, unmute કરવું પડશે આપે. Yes, yes.
Your session was very informative.
Thank you.
But as far as I am concerned, art is a Greek and Latin to me. But then I had a good fortune of seeing great artists working, like M.F. Hussain. His pupil, Ila Pal.
Right.
And Dinesh Shah, who was the art teacher, my colleague in the New Era School.
Wow.
And Dinesh Shah had done a mural.
Okay.
Right from the birth of Gandhi to the death of Gandhi in the Gandhi centenary year on the building of the school.
That's amazing.
So what I
અને તમને બધું જોવાનો ચાન્સ મળ્યો એ તો બહુ
and હવે તો demolish કરી નાખ્યું છે because Birla took over.
Okay.
But the point is with this collage, I was impressed by the collage that he was doing. So collage is a type of painting, no? A mural and collage is a texture.
Collage is totally a different art where a lot of paperwork is also there. Papers are stuck on the canvas. Then painting is also used. The paints are also used. So collage and the normal painting is totally different. Collage comes under the craft work.
So mural is
not in the
painting.
Not in the painting. It's a craft work.
Because he used to use the soda water cork bottle and so many fables. And what I want to say is mural is a type of painting.
Sorry?
Mural is a type of painting.
Mural work is different. It is not painting. Kerala mural work is painting. But what the normal mural is, it's not painting, it's sculpture.
Okay, thank you.
Sridhar bhai, unmute yourself.
Unmute.
Can we have Mitali ji? Mitali ji, there was a question you have. Mitali ji, can you please switch on your video and can ask?
Hello, madam.
Hello.
Thank you for your all information about all the work for art forms and more. I want to ask you about diamond painting. What is diamond painting?
Diamond painting?
Yes.
I have never heard about diamond painting, Mitali. I'm really very sorry about that. Do you have any example of diamond painting?
Just I have seen it on Google.
Okay, I have not seen it till now. So definitely I will take your number or something. You can send me the number. If I come across anything like that, I will definitely give the feedback.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Dipali. Can we have Deepesh Sheth? Deepesh Bhai has some question, or maybe from someone from Deepesh Bhai's family has a question. Can you unmute? Yeah.
Yes. Hello, madam. बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर કરી આપને. મારે એક ડાઉટ છે કે આપણે એમ કીધું કે જેમ ઓઇલ પેઇન્ટિંગ જે છે that will last for a longer term in terms of the brightness of the colors and all, but acrylic painting માં એવું નથી હોતું. તો how to make sure કે acrylic painting ના જે brighter colors ને જે છે that will start for longer time?
So what you can do is there is a special spray available in the market. Once your painting is done, you can apply that spray. So that spray will save your artwork from the fungus and the dust. So that is how you can preserve your artwork with the acrylic paints.
Okay, but can we apply the same spray after 2 years or 2.5 years older painting also?
Yes, you can apply it. First, clean your artwork properly with a damp cloth or dry cloth. remove all the dust, and then apply that chemical.
Okay. Can you suggest the name of that spray, please?
The spray for that is the brand name is not coming into my mind right now, but Camel is also there. Asian Paint is also there.
Okay.
One of Asian Paint will have that.
Okay. Okay. No worries. Thanks.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Dipesh bhai. Any other questions? I think we are there's no more questions which are seen at this moment. और किसी को कोई प्रश्न पूछना है तो रूपल बहन से हम अभी कुछ पूछ सकते हैं. I think there's a question from Chandrasekhar ji. Yeah, Chandrasekhar ji, please.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everyone. Rupal ma'am, it was a very informative session.
Thank you
really
so much.
liked it. I had just a simple question. Do you teach doodling?
I do.
Because I want to learn it, that's why.
I'm going to teach right now.
Okay. That's great.
The answer is just across. Oh, that's great. Very good, very good. So I think without waiting for anything, let's let's move towards having an online experience of. Yeah, I think the one question from Mr. Bankat. Can you
Okay.
just the last question probably we'll take from Mr. Bankat. Can you switch on your video, Bankat, and then ask?
Actually, I am Bankat's sister.
Okay.
So I want to ask question about mood board.
Mood?
Mood board.
Mood board. Okay. Tell me.
हम कुछ मूड बोर्ड ऐसे होते हैं कि डायरेक्टली हम उसे इंटरनेट से उठा के पेस्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो मूड हम हाथ से बनाते हैं, सपोज हम स्टेडलर्स यूज करते हैं या तो वाटर कलर यूज करते हैं, तो उसे कैसे क्रिएट करें?
मूड बोर्ड के लिए
आई एम अ फैशन डिजाइनर, तो मुझे सब कुछ अपने कॉलेज के थीम के मतलब थीम देने हैं, उसी हिसाब से करना पड़ता है. तो कुछ थीम ऐसे होते हैं जिसपे कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आता, लाइक अ बैट पे मूड बोर्ड बनाना है तो कैसे बनाए?
You have to look into yourself, see what you are getting from your mind, from your soul. That is what the mood board is all about. Sometimes you are in a very happy mood, so you make that mood accordingly. Sometimes you are in sad mood. The pet mood is something like
scary mood.
You are sorry?
Scary mood, like a bad mood is a scary.
Okay, the scary mood. So definitely all the moods, you have to see the expression of the real person and do it according to, that variant can be done. Like smiley is there, normal smiley is not like ही करके अपने हंसते नहीं है, but थोड़ा exaggerate करके वो mood बना देते हैं. So like that, whatever mood you want to do, exaggerate little bit and then put it on the paper.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. I'll just turn my video now.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Here is the paper. This is A4 size paper. And I'll take it with my nose. You can see nicely. I'm using the fine liner. Whatever pen you have, you can use it. Gel pen is also fine. The color doesn't matter. Whichever color you have, you can use it to create the doodles. Doodle is something like during our college time or school time, whatever we done on the last page of our rough book is full of doodles, right? Any boring lecture is going on, to lift up the mood, we just pick up the pen and start making something or the other at the back side of the page. That is what the doodle is all about. I'll start from the down part over here. I hope it is visible.
Yes.
I'm not using the iPad. I'm using laptops. So today it's new for me. This device. Here I have made one upside down view. And I'm making 3 more views over here for the hair of this doodle. Giving double line. Like this. And I'm going to make eyes over here. To give sparkling into the eyes, I'm making 2 more circles inside the eye and filling up the color of the rest of the eye. I'll take it a little more near so you can see that nicely. Okay. And making a smiley face for him. To give it a little volume, I'm making some lines over here, slanting lines. Yeah, and over here, the shading is also not compulsory, but I'm making the shading over here with the normal pencil, so that our doodle starts looking 3D-ish. So whenever you are making doodle, what happens, there are a lot of things coming into your mind, but then actually you sit with the pencil and paper, your mind goes blank. What do I want to do? No, it doesn't come into your mind. So that time what you can do is look around, whatever objects you have around you, that object you can convert into the doodle. Like flower vase is there, or maybe glass is there, the teacup is there, or any food item is there, like the ice cream, or maybe cake, pastries. All these items you can convert into the doodle. Now in doodling, there's one particular thing that you have to start from the down and keep on making doodles upwards. Okay, so the doodles which you are creating, the first one is the nearest doodle, and the doodles which you are creating upwards, they are the far doodles. In this doodle, I am making a closed eye and the laughing face. I'm making tongue inside and filling up the rest of the mouth with black color. Or maybe to add a little more fun, I'm making some hearts over here. And to give it a little volume, I'm giving pencil shading over here. this side, because I'm thinking that my light source is over here, the shadow is coming this side. It's not compulsory that you have to make the characters. You can add some designs also to your doodle. So over here, I am adding a small design by making two pumpkins like this and making checks inside this. Okay, this is what everybody must have done. Converting this into a flower. You can give the shading to this one also. A little bit, not too much. I'm making one more doodle this side. Just simple, some triangles, that's it. Over here, let's create one more doodle over here. Very simple shape. I'm making the eye outside the body, like this. I'm making the eyelid also, and the eyeball. For the mouth, I have made two teeth over here and the tongue inside the mouth. Like this. Over here on the body, let's give some design. This is very, very relaxing. When you are doing this doodle, no thoughts will enter your mind. Here I am creating one mushroom. In between this two doodle, I am making one mushroom with the eye and a smiley face. Over here, you can make an oval, and here I'm trying to like this. Join these lines. You can make some polka dots. When you add this opaque black color to your work, it just comes up. Like this. Making few lines over here and dashes, and we can again give the shading in this match area. The next one, which I was thinking is yeah, over here. I can make a rabbit with 3 ears. Like this. I'm making different style of eye over here. For the mouth. Like this. I'm giving dashes over here. And we can add a little bit of shading. As I said, this shading is not compulsory, but I just like to add some shading to my work. So I'm also guiding you like that. Here we have space. I'm adding one more character over here, side facing. Like this. You can make the teeth. Make 2 oval eyes. And I'm just making few dashes at the body to add some texture. Let's go ahead. Maybe over here, I can add one more design. Very, very simple designs which I'm making, that anybody can do it. Small children also can do it, elderly people also can do it. If you're going along with me and if I'm going too fast, please let me know. I'll decrease the speed. I'm just filling up this area with the circles. Basically, you don't leave any empty space. Keep adding whatever comes to your mind. And that is what I'm doing right now. By doing this, also a lot of ideas will come to your mind. Yes, I can do that. I can do this. Yeah, over here, maybe I can add a cup of tea. This is the cream which I am making on top of the coffee. And you can make the oval. Now see, I do not have space over here. So you stop over here. It's okay. My handle of the cup is only this much visible. That's okay. Right. I will make the double line over here. And I can add the relaxed mode of the coffee. A small smile with the dashed oval over here to show the blushing. Right? Somebody had asked me how to show the mood. So this is how you can show the moods. Okay, we have some space over here. I'm just making 2 leaves over here. All right. Let's go ahead and do, maybe I am adding a cloud over here. I can add one more cloud this side as well. There are sleepy clouds. And different mood. Yeah, we can add a rainbow. Over here. That's it. I can make a star over here. One more star. Now to show these stars are traveling, I'm making these lines.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but can you just show how did you make a star? I found it difficult.
Okay,
Just
I will make one more star. I will make
Yeah.
one more star, don't worry. Okay, so the first is the triangle, like this. You make 2 sleeping lines and make 2 cross lines over here, like this. And your star is done.
Yes. I am.
From these stars also, I'm showing as if they are coming from down and going upwards. Next, what can we is maybe I will make a small blast kind of a thing over here. Making it into double line. Leaving a little gap and again creating the similar pattern. The basic idea is it should look like a blast. That we are having a blast over here. We are having fun, we are having blast. I will fill up the middle part. I have used pencil to create that middle part. Here also in the rainbow, I'm doing the alternate sides. Whenever I have not done shading, then I'm giving the shading little. So here also we can. And now everybody must be getting a lot of ideas. Here I can do this, here I can do that. A simple egg shape is also fine. Okay, I'll make 2 eggs over here. I'll make 2 eggs over here. It's wearing a cap. Two dots for the eyes, mouth, and I'm making him blush by making the dashed line in the oval shape. And let's see, he's wearing skirt over here. Another egg. I'm making the eyebrows. With the eyelashes. Like this. I hope that you all can see that. And maybe for the mouth, surprised. I have made 2 triangles over here to show his shirt. And I don't think we have a lot of space now. Then also, whatever space is there, I'll just create 2 things. A side face with the lips sticking out. And I will give the double line to this doodle.
Then we will have to stop at 1 o'clock. So
it's done. This is the last one. I'm not going to extend now. There's no space in my page. And that's it. And that's it. is our Doodle page. I hope that you all enjoyed that.
Wow, Rupalben, it is just, amazing is the only word, on behalf of everyone, I would say. What an excellent presentation. My God, amazing knowledge on each and every, various world painting aspects you have, it's just wonderful.
Thank you so much.
इंडियन फॉर्म्स का तो आपका नॉलेज गजब है. एक एक छोटी छोटी जो आपने एक एक हरकत दिखाई है आपके ड्राइंग में. वी आर सो हैप्पी. एक एक डिटेल जो आपने बात की है, दैट शोज योर इन डेप्थ नॉलेज. And it was I'm sure it was a wonderful session. Very happy to share today with you that हमने आज ये हमारी 9वीं कड़ी थी. 9वीं कड़ी में हम लोग शुरुआत में शेखर जोगलेकर जी हमारे साथ में आज हैं, बने हुए हैं. He was our first speaker. We started with 15 people, and today you won't believe we have 160 plus participants in our today's webinar. And the credit goes to all of the great speakers. Credit goes to Nikhil bhai and everyone who has worked very hard to gather such a mammoth number. I'm so happy, and you also have done a wonderful I would say
thank you so much.
Presentation.
It is joint effort. It is really joint effort. Everybody has worked so hard for this webinar. I'm really grateful for everyone.
So thankful to you, doston. So thankful to each and everyone who has participated today. Before I hand over mic to Nilesh bhai for the further this thing, I would announce our next Sunday. As Nikhil bhai has said earlier, every Sunday we are going to continue till the time we have these difficult times. Let's sit together. Let's as a family, let's enjoy good things together. Next, the 10th edition of our this webinar, we'll have a wonderful, very young speaker called Priyambi Hiran. Priyambi is an engineering student, but she has mastered the art of speaking, and she will be talking. हमारे साथ में वो बात करेगी. डर के आगे जीत है. आज का माहौल हम सब जानते हैं, मुश्किलें जो सबको मिल रहे, सबके साथ में जुड़ी हुई हैं. But how to overcome of that and how to make it very nice living experience, इसके बारे में प्रियम्बी हमसे बात करेगी. प्रियम्बी सिर्फ 20 साल की बेटी है और उसने ये बड़ी महारत हासिल की है. प्रियम्बी से हम अगले संडे मिलेंगे और यही सभी को मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि हम इतने बड़े नंबर पे इकट्ठा होके हम प्रियम्बी को भी सुनेंगे और हम सब खुद मोटिवेट होके एक फैमिली के रूप में उभरेंगे. हम आगे अच्छे ऐसे प्रोग्राम करते ही रहेंगे. Again, Rupalben, it was a wonderful presentation. Now I hand it over to our friend Nilesh bhai Kesaria to say a few words and a vote of thanks. Nilesh bhai.
जी धन्यवाद श्रीधर भाई. मुझे कहा गया है कि वोट ऑफ थैंक्स दिया जाए और थैंक्स मैं किनको दूं और किनको ना दूं. बात अगर कहे तो कला और संस्कृति, इनको अगर हम थैंक्स करने की बात कहें, इनका धन्यवाद करने की बात कहें, तो वो तो सदियों से चला आ रहा है कि हमेशा कला का मान सबसे ऊपर रहा है. वही संस्कृति महान कही गई है जिसमें कला का सम्मान हुआ है. तो उसी प्रथा और उसी परंपरा को आगे चलाते हुए आज हम सबसे पहले आज की जो कलाकार हैं, जो चीफ गेस्ट हैं, वो रूपल जी, उनका हम धन्यवाद करेंगे जिन्होंने हमें इतने सारे अलग अलग आर्ट फॉर्म्स के प्रति हमारा ध्यान आकर्षित किया. देखा जाए तो तकरीबन 35 अलग अलग किस्म के जो आर्ट फॉर्म्स हैं वो उन्होंने हमारे सामने रखे और उनके 50 से भी ज़्यादा इलस्ट्रेशंस हमने देखे. मुझे नहीं लगता कि 1.25 या 1.5 घंटे की कोई वेबिनार में हम इतने सारे आर्ट फॉर्म्स के बारे में जान सकते थे या हम वो इलस्ट्रेशंस लाइव देख सकते थे. इसलिए मैं फिर से रूपल बहन जी का धन्यवाद करूँगा. वैसे तो कहा जाए तो हर एक व्यक्ति में एक कलाकार है। रूपल ने भी एग्जाम्पल दिया कि जैसे हर एक कलाकार कब बनता है, जब वो शुरू करता है नोटबुक के लास्ट पेज से। और ये जो यात्रा है, ये जो जर्नी है, वो लास्ट पेज से डूडलिंग करते हुए किसी कैनवास पे आके किसी आर्ट गैलरी में जाने की जर्नी है। वो जर्नी के प्रति सब में अलग अलग जो एक आकर्षण होता है, हर सब में अलग अलग एक चाह होती है। कोई पहुंच पाता है, कोई नहीं पहुंच पाता है। तो ये जो फॉर्म्स, आर्ट फॉर्म्स जो बताए इन्होंने, जो बारीकियां बताई कला की, शायद वो उस बीज की तरह काम करेंगे जो हमें इसकी तरफ और खींच के, इसका और महत्व जान के हम वो नोटबुक के लास्ट पेज से किसी कैनवास पे आ पाए। इसलिए फिर से धन्यवाद इनका। आज का जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, जो गूगल प्लेटफॉर्म, ये जो जूम लिंक का जो प्लेटफॉर्म हमें जो मिला है, वो एक और गुरु की वजह से मिला है, श्री योगेश शर्मा जी शेगांव से, जिन्होंने ना केवल उनके विद्यार्थियों किंतु हम सब के लिए ये प्लेटफॉर्म आज साझा किया है। उसके लिए मैं उनका धन्यवाद करता हूँ। बाकी हमारे जी कनेक्ट के सारे जो मेंबर्स हैं, जो सदैव ये सेमिनार्स में पार्टिसिपेट करते रहते हैं और इनकी शोभा बढ़ाते हैं, मैं सब उनका धन्यवाद करता हूँ। और जो जी कनेक्ट की जो कमेटी है, जिन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करके इन सारे जो वेबिनार्स है वो हमारे सामने लाए हैं, हमारे लिए लाए हैं, जिससे जो हम आज की जो कठिन विकट परिस्थितियां हैं उनका अच्छे से सामना कर सके, उनके लिए मैं उनका धन्यवाद करता हूं। तो ये इन सारे धन्यवाद के साथ मैं आज का ये कार्यक्रम संपन्न करने की अनुमति चाहता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Excuse me. 1 minute. I'm Hiral Vyas, and sorry, I'll be taking much of your time, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to ask that this art form will have colors also, or is it done by only pencils?
You can use any color for this artwork. You can use pencil, you can use colors, you can use paints, whatever you feel like using. That is totally up to you. Imagination is yours. Like whatever you can imagine about it, you can do it on the paper.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, my artwork, I think so.
Yeah, lovely. That's beautiful.
Very beautiful. Oh, fantastic.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, everyone.
That's great. Good to have you, ma'am, today with us. Rupal ma'am, thank you so much again. Let's say goodbye, and all of you, please stay safe. Please take care of yourself, and let's meet again on the coming Sunday at 11 o'clock. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Thank you for joining in.